I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Number 1. Remove all accessories and any type of metal attached to your body.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Number 2. Prepare the tools and materials you will need in disassembling. Anti-static mat, Phillips head screwdriver, and also anti-static twist strap if available. Make sure to sort the screws by labeling it. Number 3. Unscrew and remove the system case or cover.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Number 4. Remove all power connectors including PATA and SATA.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Number 5. Unscrew and remove the power supply.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Make sure that all system unit parts, power supply, optical drive, HDD or hard disk drive, etc. are in an anti-static mat or any dry mat. Number 6. Remove the front panel connectors including the USB and speaker connectors.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
And then remove the front panel.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Number 7. Unscrew and remove optical drive. Number 8. Unscrew and remove floppy drive.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Number 9. Unscrew and remove the HDD or the hard disk drive.
And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to.
Number 10. Unscrew and remove the motherboard from the system unit.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Make sure that the motherboard is also placed in a clean and dry place.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Number 11. Remove the RAM.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Number 12. Remove the fan header.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Number 13. Remove the CPU.
On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
And last but not the least, remove the CMOS battery.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.